Obasanjo ojiwo komanda mag kweth jolweny mosebedo kagore piny Ethiopia mondo mi luor kendo rit winjruok mane oketi tarik 2 dwe ni. Jotelo go ne loso e romo mane oriwo moko kuom jotend pinje mag Afrika mane twak ewi chenro mar duoko kwe piny Ethiopia. Romo makamano timore e buore Nairobi ka juma achiel kende tok winjruok mar chungo lweny mane ochopie juma mokalo e piny Afrika ma milambo. Romo makawuono lero ni duoko makare mar kwe biro yudore kuom winjruok e kind kweth ma osebedo gi lwenje e piny Ethiopia.
We must commend the leaders on both sides for their good faith, for their consideration of the best for the good of all the people of Ethiopia, particularly the ordinary people of Ethiopia who have been deprived of peace.
We can live with each other within our diversity. Our diversity is our beauty. It should not be a source of division. It should be a source of pride as we share and enjoy diversity instead of our diversity becoming that which breaks us apart.
We want to express our full commitment for bringing peace and stability to our people and country. Therefore, we will fully dedicate ourselves to implement the Pretoria Agreement and this declaration.
We have suffered untold misery over the last 2 years and still continue to suffer. The commitment we are making today is with the hope that expectations that our people's